Uh, well, hello. This is William Williams, Philippines. Hope everybody's doing good today. Welcome back to Monday. Yeah, seems to be a good start to the week. Uh, First thing, therapy. Yay, that's good. Anyway, um, yeah, it is about 4 o'clock on January or July 22nd, 2024. Boy, I'm trying to get this year over with. I'm ready to travel. I want to get there fast. The Philippines is calling. Anyway, it's Monday morning, about 4 a.m. And I guess the Democrats didn't like Biden enough that he finally pulled out. And now they're trying to figure out who's going to be the Democrat nomination person. Yeah, the nominee over there. Yeah, I don't know. It is what it is. Anyway, let's see. Therapy today, and when I get done there, I'm going to try to get over and move a couple things and, try to mow the alleyway and the front yard. And then hopefully tomorrow, mow the, tomorrow morning, mow the backyard, or at least part of it, again on Wednesday. Yeah. Just got through doing a bit of research on some various stocks and ETFs, throwing $155 toward. I bought 11 different shares of stuff. A couple of them I already have, a couple of them are new. Yeah, I added 2 more shares of Ford. It's not high, it's not a lot of money, at $28. But Ford is pretty much a steady, dependable, and it does throw off about 5%, 4.5%, 5% dividends a year. So have $100 there, you'll have 105 next year, basically. So I'm not afraid to throw a little money at it. It's low end dividend, but it's a steady, solid stock. Pretty much, I can't see Ford disappearing anytime soon. So, yeah. And I'm going to try to, trying out this other one. Only bought 1 share of it, and it wasn't that expensive. But it's kind of tagged it for me to find out about. I'll probably try to add a few more shares. I found it toward the end of my research and said, well, I got this much left there. Let me, instead of having something that wasn't, money that wasn't working, throw it on there, and I'd rather have pennies sitting in the checking account or the market account than dollars. So yeah, I'm basically throwing a little bit there to just to see if I like this stock or not. This it's a REIT, real estate. So yeah, it doesn't cost a lot on this one, but I think the one I looked at actually pays out either quarterly or monthly. No, I don't remember for sure. I looked at so many of them. But yeah, trying to keep building that up. I'm over 1,850 bucks in there, so yay. I know it's not a lot, but it is what it is. And the more that I get in there, the better it is. And right now I'm pulling in like 16 bucks a month on the dividends average. Over the next 12 months, it says I'm going to be at 17, and I haven't even added in these ones I just added in. So that's just off the dividends from the ones I have already. It's not a lot, but it's giving me a little bit of information as to what is working, what I like and what I like the way it's working. So this is a good thing. Yeah, it's a monster account. But hey, considering that last year in March is when I opened it, and only $100 when I opened it mid-March, and I've slowly been adding to it, and now it's sitting at $1,850, and I think I only put 1,700 of it in there. So yeah, 1,700. Yeah, 1,700. So it's gone up a bit. Yay. Don't know about you, but according to it says I'm earning an annual percentage rate of like 12.5, 13. So yay. I'll be happy with that. It sure beats what the banks are giving out on money right now. And even Ford's putting out more than the banks are. So yeah, it'll be one of the ones that it's not going to be my biggest and most favorite stock, but it's a steady one, and that's a good thing. So yeah, I just keep throwing money at this thing and watching it start growing. I wish I'd have been doing this when I was a youngster. So any of you youngsters out there listening, hey, go open up a market account, and what's that? Follow, buy you an S&P 500, couple, add a piece of that every chance you can, and just keep going. I wish I had the money for a big S&P 500 share, but basically that thing was, it's a money, or not a money market, but an ETF, electronic traded fund, and it keeps the ones that follow the New York Stock Exchange. They just keep going up. S&P 500. I don't have that one. I might try to take and get a couple eventually, but it's not like I'm trying to get rich here. I'm just wanting something that's going to throw a little extra money at me during my retirement, and hopefully keep building my little nest egg there so that it actually grows and I can do a few extra things. Anything that that gets added in helps. So every chance I get, I throw a little bit here, a little bit there, and I'll be adding another probably 50 or $100 next paycheck. Every little bit helps. So yeah, for those youngsters, get out there and throw a little at it. I know it's hard, especially with wages and such being as low as they are for kids and such, but it is what it is, and compounding interest is a miracle for you. Go do some of it. Get something that throws you a little bit of dividends, and basically slowly grows, and that over time will definitely build up and be worth something. It's even if it's only, if you get paid every 2 weeks and you throw $10 at it every paycheck, $10, $10 a week is 520 in a year, and $10 every 2 weeks, what, 260? It's not a lot, but keep doing that over years and throw in any extra you can, and 10 years at 500, it's 5,000, and that's with nothing extra. 5,200. That's not counting the compounding, the dividends growing. That's not counting what growth the stock might do. But another 10 years and that goes up even more, and especially if you keep adding a little bit to it. Please don't do like I did and wade through Stupid Street and try to finally get around to doing something in the way of planning for retirement as late as I did. I woke up and started trying to grow up sometime in my 40s, early 40. So I wish I'd have started then, because I'd have 20 good years of doing this. And hey, 10% on $5,000 is $500. You add $500 every year, 10 years, extra 5,000, and that's not counting the interest off the compounding, the interest. So I wish I hadn't been so stupid. But I do want to try to build. So don't take my word for it. Go talk to somebody who knows better than I do. But at least do something and throw some money into it and try to invest in your future, because the cost of living is not going to go down. Inflation is going up, and right now, they're saying 3% interest or 3% inflation. I don't believe that. I believe it's probably double that. So you need something making money that's improving your principal, and just keep putting more money in there and build your principal. Eventually you'll have something to retire on. Like I say, I wish I'd have did it earlier, but hey, I did mention I lived on Stupid Street for a while. Anyway, I looked and I have 123 subscribers, so thank you very much. I hope that everybody takes and has a wonderful weekend, or had a wonderful weekend, and I hope you have a good work week. Make $1 or peso or whatever it is. Anyway, I'm William from Williams, Philippines. Blessings. Later, we'll talk to you another time tomorrow. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out. Oh, I missed that yesterday. I clipped it too early. Anyway, I'm Fish out.